ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो ॐ विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्यति देशतारिणे। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवंश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथं वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सवधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदां सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितं। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरे वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणाममि हरिप्रिये। पंचाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंदा। ईश्वरः परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर गोविंद सर्वकारण कारणम्। आलोल चंद्र कलशवनमान वंशे रत्नांगदं प्रणयकेलिकलाविलासं श्यामं त्रिभंगललितं नित्यप्रकाशं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। अंगानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति। आनन्दचिन्मया सदो जलविग्रहस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम् आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च वेदेषु दुर्लभम् अदुर्लभम् आत्मभक्तो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। जय श्रील गौर गोविंद महाराज की जय। जय गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। हिताय गौर प्रेमानंदे। So it is difficult to speak at this moment because we're all feeling very deeply that how Maharaj, Gaur Govinda Maharaj, left all of a sudden. So it is very difficult for all of us to bear this separation. Gaur Govinda Maharaj was working so hard in order to please His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada in many, many aspects. So, at one sense, we can say that it is a great loss for all of us. On the other hand, it is also must be the Krishna's will, Krishna's mercy. Because by the mercy of Lord Krishna, the great souls are sent in this world to perform certain activities. Mercy, by the mercy of Krishna, He also takes away. So we have to take under all circumstances that these are all the will of the Lord, the mercy of the Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. The other day, just one day before he left his body, I was also talking to him, just on the stairway. I was going to the meeting with the GBC, the Maharaj was coming down. So we met each other in the stairway, joking each other during our meeting. So he spoke briefly about the festival here, that Prabhupada's centennial, that Utsava here, festival. I told Maharaj that I heard that there was a great success, Maharaj in Bhubaneswar, about Prabhupada's centennial festival. He was smiling with great happiness, because generally we are very informal. Our dealing with each other is very informal for so many years. And I mentioned to Maharaj that Maharaj, I had a lot of glories in Bhubaneswar, but since I came with Prabhupada, that was in 1977, to lay the foundation stone, because I was, somehow I came here also. So since then, I heard that there is a lot of development, so I like to come and see it to Bhubaneswar. And Maharaj was laughing a lot, and we embraced each other. It is you are welcome, please come. He was saying like that. Requested him, he also please visit Manipur, because the Maharaj came with the Bhakti Sarup Maharaj, and three of us installed our deities in Manipur. That was around 1982. So I requested Maharaj also, you must visit Manipur and take some prasadam in Manipur. So Maharaj said, yes, I will come. I was going to the room of the meeting room, and then I requested Maharaj, please take a lot of prasadam and remain always healthy. So then he was laughing a lot, and he went down and I went up. But however, in the evening I was staying in, after the meeting I left for Navadip, because I stayed there. So when I was there, it's already almost about 8:15 or around that 8:15 p.m. And all of a sudden, when I was in my room in Navadip, that Gokul Das, he came entering my room, and then he told me, Maharaj, almost crying, that maybe our Guru Maharaj might have left his body. He just told me that in my room. I didn't know what he was talking, and I told him, because actually he came to take the van, the Tata, that car that was parked in our property in Navadip. So at that particular moment, he seemed to lose the key of the car. He lost, and so he actually came to find out whether there's any way that we could open that the car and somehow start, because he wanted to take it to Mayapur. At that moment, we could not find a key, and also it was very difficult to break the car open because I called all the drivers and also some mechanics nearby. It was already night, and it was difficult to open the car. And one of my boys asked Gokul Das, now maybe it may be difficult now, so maybe it is better to go back to Mayapur with the boat crossing the Ganga, because it may be difficult because Maharaj might have been taken to maybe some hospital in Krishnagar. So it said it's better to go now without taking the car. But when we came out from that place, but all of a sudden, and one of my students, somehow, he found, the key. Actually, in a bush, because this is all grasses. So somehow they said there was a key. This is in the night. All of a sudden he found a key. When Gokul Das came running, because in the middle of great anxiety, looks like he dropped the key there, and so he said, we showed it to Gokul. Yes, this is the key. This is the key. Then he opened the key, the car, and so we went. And one of my boys and myself and Gokul Das, he said, I will accompany you. So we went from Navadip to Mayapur. When we went to Mayapur, it was very difficult to see that they couldn't believe that Maharaj would leave that way so soon, so quickly. It is extremely difficult for all of us to take this way that Maharaj has left all of us in this way. Moreover, the facts of life is that all of us, to live one by one is just a matter of time. We have to concentrate every moment, every minute, how to understand life's mission by practicing Krishna consciousness. I was told that Maharaj was preaching very, very strongly in the last this festival. He was speaking very, very vigorously about Krishna consciousness. If we follow Maharaj's example, that every moment we have to spread this message of Krishna consciousness for the well-being of so many people in this planet, then Maharaj also will be happy, and also Srila Prabhupada will give all the blessings to all of us. Although this is a moment of great pain and loss, but at the same time it is also a moment to gather strength and spirit of seva, taking shelter of the Guru Maharaj and Srila Prabhupada and the Lord Krishna, how to understand life's mission and also how to propagate the glories of Krishna consciousness. It also reminds us, all of us, that this human form of life is very uncertain. We don't know when we leave this body. So therefore, it is a reminder to all of us that we have to take life extremely seriously. One of the great qualities of Maharaj, Gaur Govinda Maharaj, that I find is he is a childlike simplicity. Very straightforward, and he was very, very friendly nature, and just like without any difficulty, we could relate with him under all circumstances. Compassionate and friendly. So from the scriptures we know that these are the saintly qualities. So the disciples of Gaur Govinda Maharaj, especially, and all the followers of Gaur Govinda Maharaj, will say you are extremely, extremely fortunate to have us as a wonderful, saintly, spiritual master. And also it is a great blessing of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, that he has such a wonderful disciple. So that when Maharaj left, that day was actually Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada's appearance day. this year we all know, 1996, is the wonderful centennial celebration year of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So it must be all auspicious that somehow Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, arranged in such a way that Maharaj has left in order to serve His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada in the Golok Dham. Therefore, it is our duty, the duty of all of us, the disciples, all the followers, and all of us, to actually follow that the directions and also the spirit of Seva, this Prabhupada Seva, this Bhagavad Seva that Maharaj had, to strengthen that and to follow very, very strongly, so that this Krishna consciousness movement can be spread in every nook and corner of the world. Pray by your sincerity, by your wonderful seva, that Maharaj also will always remain pleased. So in this event, I also like to thank everyone here, and also like to pray that by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and by the mercy of Sri Krishna, that Gaura Govinda Maharaj is a glories and also his a contribution in helping Srila Prabhupada's mission always remain as exemplary. Jai Srila Gaura Govinda Maharaj ki, Jai Srila Prabhupada ki, Jai Gaura Premanande.